Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, I really do appreciate you, the Precious family. You know that you are always welcome. And if this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. You can become a part of the Precious family just once you finish watching this video. If you like what you see, you can go ahead on and click on that subscribe button and you will become a part of the Precious family as well. And you can hit the notification bell and it will let you know each time when I upload a new video. Okay, so now with that being said, I am going to show you a dish, and it is called the banana strawberry cream cheese pie. Now this is a no bake. I'm just showing you something where you don't have to be sweating over a hot stove. It's just something simple that you can put together within minutes when you know that you are having guests, friends coming over, family coming over, and you just want that quick dessert. And this is a tasty dessert. I mean, it's so easy to make, and you can just make it within probably 10 minutes. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this banana strawberry cream cheese pie. That's it. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, so I am going to be doubling this recipe. So I'm going to give you just the single ingredients first, okay? And then I tell you how I double it. So you will need to make one pie crust. To fill one pie crust, you're going to need one of the single pack banana pudding. And this is a 3.4 ounces of banana pudding. So I went on and put this in my bowl because this is going to be the first thing that I'm going to be mixing. Okay. And then right here in this bowl, I have, you can use the single pack of 2.15 ounces of classic cheesecake mix. But once again, I'm doubling it, so I use 2 packs. And here, normally I would use 8 ounces of Cool Whip. You can use the whip type or just the original Cool Whip. So here I got 2 tubs of that, so that's going to be 16 ounces. And here is my cream cheese. Normally I would use 1/8 ounce box of cream cheese, but once again I'm using 2. And here are my pie crust. I went on and did the store-bought graham cracker 9-inch pie crust, and once again I'm using this because it's simple. You can make your own crust out of graham crackers, but today we are not doing that. Okay, and for my milk, I'm using 1 cup and 3/4 of milk. I'm not going to have a lot of that banana taste because I want you to taste the strawberries as well. So I'm just using 1 single box of this, and that's going to be 3.4 ounces. Okay, so let's put this together. Okay guys, we are going to start off by just pouring a little milk at a time. Okay, we're just going to add a little bit more milk. We're just going to add a small amount at a time. We're going to let that beat for a few minutes. Let's add a little bit more milk. And I don't want mine real watery, and I'm looking for that consistency. I like for mine, I don't want it to be too watery, so I use 1 cup of milk. So now we are going to go in with our cheesecake mix. We're going to pour a little bit at a time. Okay, so now we are going to go in with our cream cheese. And we are going to just beat this slowly. And now we are going in with our second block of cream cheese. And now we are going in with our Cool Whip. We're going to do a little at a time. Scoop it out with my spoon. Okay, let's go for another round. And now I'm just going to take my spoon and scrape the edge of the bowl to make sure all the sides are mixed in thoroughly. Now, everything is mixed in thoroughly. It's time for us to put it in our pie crust. And if this is too thick for you, remember that extra milk. I told you I only use a cup. You can always go in and add more milk, but I just only like that 1 cup of milk. Now guys, here is my glaze. And I did show you at the very beginning because I was not going to put this inside the mixture. I'm just going to spread this on the top of it, give it that glaze, like a little glaze frosting. So let's go ahead on and put our mixture in our crust pan. So we just going to go ahead and pour some in this pan here onto this crust. And guys, it is so simple to make. It's very simple. No bake. Now, you can put as much of this glaze as you want to. It's just your preference. Now guys, this is what the pies are looking like. Normally, and this is only if you want to, you can just slice up little strawberries and just line them up pretty on the pie. Or you can get some graham crackers and just crumble them up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple banana strawberry cream pie. It is delicious. Okay, and once you finish this, make sure you put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. At least 2 hours, because you want it to be thick. So when you cut it, it won't be like a cream mushy pie. It'll be like a nice piece of pie. Okay, so we are all done with our banana strawberry cream cheese pies. So here's the finished result, and I went on and crumbled the graham crackers on top of it. This is just my preference, but I normally put sliced strawberries on them. So I thank you so much for clicking on this video. Okay, so just before I signed off, we are going to just cut one. I know it have not been 2 hours. Okay, guys. This is what that pie is looking like. It's not completely chilled, guys, but I just want to let you guys know. And I'm just going to taste the piece. This is good before it's completely chilled. It is so good, guys. I just wish you guys could just taste the piece. Just look at that. I can eat this entire pie by myself. It is just that good. Okay, guys. I'm signing off, and I thank you guys for clicking on this video. Thank you for watching. Thank all of you guys for hanging in there with me, and I hope that by you watching this video, this will give you some type of idea on something that you don't have to bake. You can leave the strawberry glaze off and just go with just the cream cheese, or you can leave off the banana pudding. It's just your preference, but I promise you it tastes so good with that banana in it. So this is Mary Precious Jones signing off.